I'm going to show you how to use a Boba X. So a Boba X is a really lovely adaptable carrier. It grows with your baby and it's very long lasting. There are quite a few adjustments, so it's really worth taking your time and checking what works where and how things are organized in it. So it's got a hood inside. So inside this pocket at the front, just unzip and you've got your hood here if you need to use it. You've got some pockets here on the front, which is super handy. You've got this bit here on the shoulder straps that hold your bag. So if you've got a shoulder bag, stop it from falling over, which is really nice. It's got a very adjustable waist belt, so I'm going to show you how that works. So inside you've got Velcro, so you make it grow with your baby. So you bring the Velcro wider and wider, as the baby grows. Once you reach here, you can add seat extenders like that. You put them in and then you zip them, so it's gonna grow with your baby and be quite a long-lasting carrier. So I'm gonna leave it on a small setting because my baby is quite small. And you've got dual adjust straps. So dual adjust means that you decide how you tighten the straps, either by pulling back or pulling forward. So if you want to pull forward, you move some of your webbing to this part here. If you want to pull back, you move the webbing towards the buckle like that. Okay, so I'm going to loosen my straps and I'm going to set my chest strap. So the chest strap is this clip between the straps that will hold them together, so it's very important that it's in place, and you can slide it up or down. So make sure that you have it between your shoulder blades, and then if somebody else is using it, that you readjust this chest strap. You can use it with your straps crossed or straight. You can do hip carry, you can do back carry. You can't face out with this carrier, so something to bear in mind. So I'm just going to put it on my waist, into my back and clip. Give a little pull and always pull the webbing the way it comes, because if you do that or that, it just won't come and it's just going to damage it. I'm going to do the t-shirt method. So I'm going to loosen my straps and I'm going to put it on like this. There's lots of different ways to put a carrier on. This is just one way. I'm going to put the chest strap over my head. Keep holding baby, arms through the shoulder straps. And I'm going to tighten. So to tighten, I like to bring the slack to the back and I can pull forward if I want to, or I can bring the slack to my clip and then pull back like that. Okay, it's up to you. You can do a mixture of both. Just make sure you've got enough webbing to pull. Okay, now I'm going to readjust the seat, so I let my baby's bum drop nice and deep into the seat with knees higher than the bum. Make sure my baby's close enough to kiss so I can see the airways at all time. Sling is tight and I can feel 2 fingers between chin and chest if my baby falls asleep. Okay, so the hood gives a little bit of head support, so it's quite nice. If you need your panel to grow higher up, you've got these adjustments here. So you just lift and then this will make the panel grow in height, so it will grow with your baby, which is really great. If you want to feed, you've got these straps here. You can just loosen them like this and then your baby will drop like that. You can bottle feed or you can bring baby onto the breast, so it's super quick and easy to do, and then you just retighten by pulling back up like this. And if you don't like them hanging, you can probably just bring them through here like that, and that will hold in place. Okay, so that's for the straight strap way to put it on. Now I'm going to show you how to take your baby out and how to cross straps. Okay, to take your baby out, lots of different ways with this carrier. You can just hold baby and then just unclip, or you can loosen, take one arm out. You can loosen, lift the chest strap and unclip it. It's totally up to you how you do it. It's very personal, and it depends on your mobility, how you can reach in, what you prefer do it, and how confident you feel as well. It's important. Okay, so I'm going to unclip my straps now. and I'm gonna put them on straight, across, sorry. Okay, so I want to loosen my straps quite a bit because I need a bit more length to go across my back, so I'm going to loosen them from here, or you can loosen them from the buckle as well, totally up to you. Just make sure you always leave enough webbing so you can pull like this or pull back. It might be that once you've crossed the straps you can't really pull forward, so you will need to feed back to tighten. Okay, so again, play around and see what works for you. I'm going to show you how to clip around your baby. If you feel not comfortable doing that, you can pre-clip it, leave it loose, stick your baby in and tighten. Okay, so I'm going to bring baby here. And if your baby is quite small, really let your baby sit nice and deep into the panel to have a really lovely deep seat. Make sure you never cover the face, so make sure this arrives just under the earlobe. To pull baby, grab a strap, flip it over your shoulder, switch hands. I'm going to grab my clip, pull down, and that is quite important to do, pull down and bring it across. That will stop it going into your neck, and if you're breastfeeding, that'll stop it going into your soft breast tissue, which is a bit uncomfortable. Bring the clip through the elastic band, because that's for safety, so that your clip doesn't fail in case a very rare accident happens. Clip, and I'm going to pull back a bit. I'm going to do the same here. So I'm going to pull down and then come across and then through my elastic band. And I'm going to pull back a bit. Okay, so if I wanted to, I could grab and then pull like this as well. So if you've got enough length and you've got the flexibility, you can do that. Otherwise, lift, bring your slack to your clip and then pull back like that. Bring my baby's arms towards their face because it's more comfortable for them. And there you go. It's very easy to use. Do really take your time to familiarize yourself with all the adjustments. It's a really comfortable carrier and I totally recommend it. To take your baby out, you can unclip one side like this and just take your baby out. Thank you for watching.